Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. Today, I have a really exciting product that I want to introduce you to. So, the good folks over at Motif contacted me, and they have an app that takes the photos that are in your phone and turns them into photo albums. You know, very much like a Snapfish or one of those companies. Now, personally, I am one of those people that just does not have the time to download all of her photos onto her computer and then use it on the computer. So, the idea that they just take the photos from my albums in my phone is like awesome. And just so you know, I became a new fur mama. Let me bring my baby up here. I became a new fur mama just about 10 weeks ago. And so when Motif said, "Would you like to put together a Mother's Day album?" I was like, now that I'm a fur mama, yes, I would. So I want to tell you the most exciting thing about this app is that because it's connected on your phone, it's got access to all of your pictures, which makes it super, super easy. You don't have to import anything. Everything's just there. So I'm going to show you one of the pages that I'm starting to work on and show you how easy it is to just, move things back and forth and change things around and just make an amazing book. Somebody else likes it too. So let me show you the app real quick. So you just go to the Motif app and you tap it, and then it loads. And as you can see, I've started a book here called Puppy Love. And so you just tap your book, and then these are all the pages. It gives you a whole bunch of different designs that you can choose from. And then it will set the pictures in there for you, or you can do it completely by yourself. And so what I did was I actually had them choose the photos and put them in, but now I can come back and edit. So for example, right here, I want to change this picture, and all I do is I tap it, that loads the page. I tap the picture that I want to replace. I go to image library here, and then I'm going to choose one of these cute little pictures right here. I'm going to choose this one. And then I can move it to the left, to the right, up and down, depending on the size of the picture. Hit done, and it will have replaced it. Now, one of the things that I think is the best about this app is that if you can see here, on these little photographs, there's tiny little check marks. That tells you which photographs I've already used so that I don't end up doing a duplicate. And you can see I still have a whole bunch of different pictures that I can choose. And when you switch out a photo, what's really great is that it unchecks it so that I'm not ever going to get the same photo twice. So this is really, really super easy. And as you can see, like little codes keep popping up here that tell me that I can get 15% off or 20% off, which is amazing. I'm going to hit done here, and that page is done. And if you can see up here in the corner, it's only $39.53. This is an 8.5 by 11 book that I'm making, which I think is really pretty darn reasonable. And I'm really super excited to see the book when it arrives. And I, of course, will do an unboxing and show you how the book turns out. And I'm having so much fun with this, I have to say. It's kind of addictive. And what's really great about it is that if you end up like, so say you're got a half hour to kill, or you've got 15 minutes in line to kill, you can just work on your book. And it's really super simple to just work on the book from everything that you've got right in front of you. So it's a pretty amazing app, I have to say. It makes everything so simple. So I hope you can see why I'm so excited about this app. I cannot wait to get the book finished, order it, and then I will do a reveal as soon as it comes in the mail. But in the meantime, I did want you to know that Motif is a free app that you can download. And, they're always offering all of these great, like 25% off, 20% off, 10% off, all of these great deals. So now is the perfect time to hop onto Motif and download the app and then create a book for yourself or for your own mother, for whoever else in your life that you want to share your photos with. So check it out. It's Motif, Motif. And I think it is a great app. For more fun ideas, check us out, sophie-world.com.